Hi girls, how are you? Welcome to my channel Culinary Classics. Today I will teach you how to make the saluk or the boiling dates. And in Egypt they are calling it boiling dates, and in the Arabian Gulf they are calling it saluk. And in the past they use it like a type of sweet because there was no sweets in the past. Also you can eat it by adding it under the sun for 1 week to 10 days till it get dry like the drying fruits. Then you can eat it with coffee or anything. Now continue the video to see how we'll make it after the intro break. Here we have the dates, and the dates must be all yellow or all red, and also don't use the dates that have a part from down wet, and the dates must be solid. And here we washed the date. And here we have 2 spoons of sugar, and if your dates are more sweet, don't use the sugar, and if they have less sweets or without any sweet, you can use 1 or 2 spoons of sugar. And here I have water. Now I will add all the ingredients in a tray and on high fire, and I will cover them until they get ready in 15 minutes. And if you like my videos and you are getting some enjoyment in them, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it, like for the video. And also if you have any difficulty in the ingredients, you can write it in the comments and I will answer you. And I will just leave you now with the video. And also if you have any recipe that you want me to upload it in the channel, you can write it in the comments and I will make it in a video and I will upload it. Now I will cover the tray and I will leave it for 15 minutes and I will come again to check it. And here after 15 minutes I check the saluk, and I see that it's ready. You'll know that it's ready or no when you see a small broken in the dates. And I check it with a knife and it's ready. Now I will add it in a plate and I will come. And you can eat the saluk hot or cold, but when it will be hot it have more taste. And here after I add it in a plate, I wish you try it also because it's very tasty. You can make it like the night when you don't have anything to make it, you can make it. Also, when you make it and you keep it to get dry, you can eat it then with a cup of coffee or something like this. So don't forget to try it and like for the video, subscribe to my channel, write your comment, and if you have any difficulty you can write it and I'll answer you. Now bye, see you in the next video.